Hello guys, welcome to my channel Vibrush, and today I'm gonna post a video of Oyo Baby product which I recently bought from Amazon seller. So let's open and have a look what exactly they have given us. Okay, so here we go guys. So inside this I got a bill invoice from Amazon which I bought it for 168 rupees. Let's have a look guys what they have given inside this. Okay, so this is the Oyo Baby product which I received, which is night hangered, and let's have a look inside what exactly they have given us. What about the quality they have given us? This is the Oyo Baby product. Let's open. Okay, so they have given an instruction page in this, wherein it's rotated, it's durable and breakable, waterproof, bed protector. Every instructions are given on this. You can have a look. Let's get into the product. You'll be getting the product which is velvet type. Here we go guys. This is an amazing product. You can have a look guys. It's really wonderful. This is the front side wherein you can place your baby over here, and this would be the black side which is plastic type. You can have a look. It's well soft. Material is also good. I used my baby for this, and I have ordered the second one for my baby, and this really deserved. It's welled. According to me, it's really worth. You can use this product at least for 8 to 9 months, and after washing as well, you'll never feel any crunch in this as well, because the quality of this product is very good. And this is my first video which I am going to post guys, so please subscribe.